nobody's catch COVID-19. I don't want my subscribers to catch COVID-19, so please guys. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and thanks for clicking on this video and stopping by. If you are new here, my name is Deelah and I would love you to hit the subscribe button and tap on the bell to get notifications from me when I post. So today I want to give you guys 5 ways you could style this black scarf. So you guys keep watching, don't go anywhere. So I'm not a fan of like tying my scarf because of the shape of my face. My face is not slim, it's like fat, so I just like flipping the scarf. That one works best for me. And then the fifth style is like my best and it just suits me very well. I'm sure it will also be your best, so just keep watching. So this is going to be the first tutorial. So like your scarf is like this now, and when you're going to flip it to the back. You should make, yeah, let me emphasize that, make this side longer than this side. This side should be short. So take it to the back. I'm going to flip this over to the front. And when that is done, at the back. So it's looking like this. Your fake hair in the front. If you want to rock this style best, and what you're going to do, you're going to wear it with shades. So wear it on a sunny day, wear it with shades. So you're supposed to rock it like this. So the next style you should try out is just one that you just flip it to the back. So make it equal. Scarf is like this. Equal. Then just flip to the back. Easy peasy. That's style number 2. So for the third style, all you have to do is take one side to the back. Then the next should go just like crossover, just wrapped around your neck. So, and if you want to take it further, you could do this. So you make the side short, then you wrap it around your neck, and you have this. Hey, so if you're enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up and let's move to style 4. So for the next style, you need a pin, this pin over here, and what you're going to do is to make this side short and make this long. Then you're going to wrap it around your neck. Now that is safe, you have your, that's what I call the hijabi style. Then this one that's over here, don't leave it here. Just take it back. Have to bring back the shades. Everything just looks better. So now we are down to the 5th style, and this is my best style. I do anytime like I'm going for any events, any fun events, like serious events. I'm always using this style, and I'm going to show you how right now. And a lot of people have asked me how I do this style, how I tie it, and finally I am going to show you how to do it. It's a $1 million style, you have to know how to do it. So for this style you need okay, you don't need the cap, I just need to cover my hair. So what you should have is scruffle at the back, or use 2 ribbons. So I'm going to do the scarf. I'm going to fold it 1, turn it over again 2, I try to do it 3 times, then turn it over for the 3rd time. Then you have this. So what I'm going to do next is to take it, I'm going to bring the folded side to the front, then over your hair. So you see, it's now at the front. Like this. This is what you want to have. I also like above my eyebrows. That's where it should be. Then you're going to take it to the back and tie it. As you can see, this is now here, it's now firm. And what I do is I roll this side, I roll the back, I roll it to like, I put it on top of my ribbon. I don't know if you understand, but let me show you. I just roll it so it is on top, like on top of the ribbon. That's why. So remember, my hair, I do not do this style with my cap. It's actually just my hair, but because I have to, you know, cover my hair, so I have to use it. So you don't want this left hanging, so you're just going to wrap it around. I do one at a time, not like one at a time. One goes first. Now we have that. Yeah, this is the style, my best style. Like, this is the style that fits my face perfectly. Like, there's nothing wrong. This is the best. So guys, let's add the shade and see how spectacular this look is gonna be. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. So if you have like any video ideas you want me to do, or any question you have, put it down in the comment section below. And these are not all the ideas I have. I am obviously going to come back with more. If you guys want a part 2, put it down in the comment section. So if you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell to get notifications from me anytime I post. And if you are still here, please stay to the end. Thank you for watching, and stay safe. Do the COVID-19 rules, you know, wash your hands, sanitizer, do everything, stay safe. Nobody should catch COVID-19. I don't want my subscribers to catch COVID-19, so please, you guys should not catch COVID-19. So bye, love you.